This is the second of two videos on the quadratic formula. We're just going to do one harder example. Here we go. Solve using the quadratic formula. So we have a quadratic equation here. So what are A, B, and C? A is 2, B is... Alright, so what's the rule here? The quadratic equation works on this expression, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Remember what I said last time? The quadratic formula and this are a set, okay? The quadratic formula works on this equation here. Does this look like this? No, it doesn't. We need the right equal to 0, and we should only have 3 terms. We get a nice trinomial. So I'm going to move the 12 over here, and I'm going to move the negative 4 over here as well. Let's do that. So 2x squared plus 3x, and then minus 12 plus 4x equals 0. And we can collect some like terms here. 2x squared, 3x plus 4x, plus 3x plus 4x is plus 7x. Minus 12 is by itself. Okay, and there we go. Now this looks like that. We are there. Now we can figure out what A, B, and C are. A is 2. Oh yeah, that was right. B is 7. And C is negative 12. Now we've identified A, B, and C. We put those into the quadratic formula. Now hopefully you've got the quadratic formula memorized. If not, keep writing it for each question until you get it. And remember that pop goes the weasel song. That usually helps you. So if you've got it all memorized, from now on your working can be this. X equals minus B minus 7 plus minus, and just watch me here. Am I going to make a mistake? I might do it on purpose. B squared minus 4 times A times C all over 2A, 2 times 2. Is that right? No, this was a minus. Okay, hopefully you saw that. And I think that's all right now. And we just keep going with the working. Okay, so you notice I didn't write the quadratic formula there. I'm pretty confident that I know it. And now we just got to do each step. Okay, it gets annoying. You've got to write that big fraction each time, but not much we can do about it. B squared, 7 squared is 49. Minus times a plus times a minus is going to end up being a plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 12s are 96. All over, 2 times 2 is 4. Another step, x equals minus 7 plus a minus. What's 49 plus 96? 49 plus 96. 15. 1 4 is 5 and 9 is 14. 145. 145 all over 4. 145, is that a perfect square? No, it's not. We're going to have to use a calculator to get that, and oh, I should have said answer to nearest hundredth. All right, so we've got our two answers here. Split them up. X equals negative 7 plus root 145 all over 4, or x equals negative 7 minus root 145 over 4. What are your answers as a decimal? Okay, you're going to have to use your calculator there. And I might let you do that. What are they? Now this is not as easy as it looks. There's a lot of button pushing here, and you've got to be very careful. If you are using the Google calculator or a GDC, right, this one here, or any calculator where you can actually type in brackets, that can help you here. Because you want to type in the brackets here and here. Type the brackets and then divide by 4 equals, and that will give you the right answer. Same over here. Brackets on top equals. If you don't have a calculator with brackets, what do? You just do the top first, and then you push equals. And then you divide by 4. Same over here. Do the top, push equals, divide by 4. Okay, and what do we get? I'm looking at the answers now, and one is positive and one is negative. That is a hint. Put your answers up in the comments, okay, and see if you all agree.